strong girl for being little. What you smell? You're pulling, Mom. It's not easy to film and walk a dog. Going for a walk with my dog Ginger, and they're on a trail. It's not easy to tape or to film and walk a dog that's strong. She's little. She's probably like 65 pounds, if that. But she's strong. Where are we going? I just heard a rooster. Stay on the trail, girlie. There's evidence of an animal coming through here? No. Or they chopped that down. I don't know. Hey, this way. Hey, stay on the path. Stop choking yourself with the collar. Relax. Stop, pull. Ginge, no pull. Come on. Somebody had to go pee. This used to be an old railroad track. Stop pulling. There's a sand pit down there. We sometimes take our wheelers down that way to the sand pit there, because that goes to the driveway next to my house when you go through that way. She is stuck on a smell. Where are you going? Mom would like it if you stayed on the trail. Are you ready to turn around yet? I think we're going to turn around. Come on. We're just going for a little walk. This is the first time Mom's taking you on a trail. Now we're going in circles. Okay, we turned around. Going back home. Well, at least to the Jeep. Then we can go back home, which is actually right around the corner. You find a stick? Going on an adventure. Going on an adventure. All these new smells for you to smell, Ginger. Hold on. Where are you running to? I feel like you're in a hurry. Getting my workout today. Looks like something went through here and knocked all these down. It's got to be animals, though, right? Unless a tractor came through. I don't think it is. Something must have big come through because that tree's got some bark taken off it. I think they're trying to widen the trail. Take all the little trees down or something. Coming? I know. Hey, this way on the trail. We're about to go back into Vermont. On the trail, girlie. That was pretty cool, bell ringing. Probably means dinner's done. Old-fashioned way when they used to ring bells. There's a railroad marker. This was a trail that was never finished. I mean, a railroad track that was never finished. And this here was an old train station. It was a stop because I guess New York didn't build their half of the railroad place. So the Vermont side, and it travels down. There's another trail across the road over there by that building. I thought that was pretty neat. I was reading up on that the other day. This is an old train stop right here. This platform in that building. It is the D&H Rail Trail. And that's the Vermont side over that way. We're not going that way, Jens, but the trail continues that way, and it's an old railroad track. Come on, we're going back to the Jeep now. Gotta go get in the Jeep and go home.